Okay, well, there is a leak, and they opened up the wall and found it. So I'm going to open up this so they could repair it. See that pink? They poured water from upstairs with pink dye in it. It's coming out right there where it's pink. And it was coming out under the cabinet, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, well, I got it pretty much opened up, and I hope that's enough room for the plumber. It seems like it should be, but I'm going to go show it to him, see what he says. Okay, so I opened it much more for the plumber. See that? All the way down to the bottom of the cabinet, and then up high above that clean out. So he has more workspace. Well, here is the unit next door. I had to come under the kitchen sink and open all the sheetrock also. As a matter of fact, if you look in here, you can see into the other unit. So now the plumbers have more access. And John Padilla Plumbing did a great job. Well, here we are. I'm back. The plumber fixed the repairs, and he actually kind of pushed his body through the shelf. But there's all the new ABS plumbing tied into the cast iron. And that must have been really difficult to get to, but there it all is. It's all been done. And there's no leaks. So I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to make this look really nice. And we're going to put a new shelf in. And then they can put all their stuff back under the sink. And the shelf does continue under the cabinet.
It's cool. It just looks so comfy. So we bought it.
Okay, I'm going to cut my 2x4 because we need to build up about 5 inches of a frame under that sink. So I'm going to put one piece laying flat and one piece up. That'll give me 5 inches. Here's our shelf. I primered it already. And we're going to put the tape on it when we cut it so it doesn't chip. Okay, I'm doing something different. I built these, and I'm going to, one here, one there, and I'm going to put one in the center, and then the wood is going to just go on top of that. Well, here it is, and it fits really well. It just dropped right in place, and it's a snug fit. I don't even need to use any screws, and it's just a perfect fit. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Next week, I'm going to come back and I'm going to close this up, but I'm going to provide an access door. All right, I'll talk to you soon.